Welcome to the first episode of Craft Studio Renovations. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to take you behind the scenes as I plan to renovate and move into a new craft studio in downtown Davison, Michigan. But first, before we do that, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss out on any part of the journey. My name is Michelle Littwiller and I am a craft business owner, and I am also a Stampin Up demonstrator. I host in-person and online classes, and I've been doing this for several years. I have also earned several of the Stampin Up incentive trips the last few years, and I have ranked in the top 100 of the global company as well as the top in the US over the last few years as well. And so I just wanted to share with you that a few years ago, my business had been going really well. And so I wanted a studio where I could host some of my events and classes outside of the home on a more regular basis. And so that's where you see I'm sitting in, came into play. And we walked into this little studio space, which is about 250 square feet. And it did not look like this bright in here. It was actually quite dark. And I remember I walked in and I turned around and walked out, and I told my husband that this would not work, that it was kind of just like a big, dark walk-in closet. But after he sat down and convinced me that indeed it could work, it could be tight and cozy, but we could make it bright and airy and have a fun environment for ladies or crafters to come and have a great time, we turned this place into what it is now. And so that is where my little studio, so to speak, downtown studio experience started happening about 3 years ago. And quickly I outgrew this space. It holds about 16 people, kind of tight, but we make it work if we have up to that many people. But going to something bigger was a little bit difficult or hard to justify at the time, growing so quickly. During COVID, obviously things got a little bit difficult. Everything shifted from totally in person to online. And so during that time, I did all of my classes online, so I had to mail out every single thing that I did. And actually, my classes grew exponentially. And so over the past year and a half, my house has become more of a warehouse of Stampin' Up boxes and product and shipping supplies. And so I kind of want to regain my house back. And so that's where this leads into getting a bigger studio space. And a bigger space would, obviously I can have more people more comfortably and also house all of the product and supplies I need to ship out all of my classes and events going on. So after searching for a little bit, a few weeks, a month, I don't even know now, but we finally, as of yesterday, signed a lease on a new studio space. And I am so excited about this. And so in the next episode, I am going to walk you through the new studio space as it is, as we signed the lease yesterday, and kind of share with you my vision and how we plan to renovate and update the space and make it a beautiful, usable craft studio where people can come and just have a wonderful time and be super creative. And also where I can put together all of your class packets and ship out everything to you in a more efficient and spacious way. So don't forget to sign up, hit your notifications so you don't miss out on any part of this awesome journey.